Hello, this is... Oh my goodness. There's a bunch of rain going on right now. Better. I'm gonna get a better look. Hold on, I'm gonna do the whole thing.
Please report snow and ice accumulations by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800-267-8101. Leave a message with your observation and the specific location where it occurred. You can also post your report to National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg Facebook or tweet your report using hashtag NWSGST. Stay tuned to know our weather radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP. Here is a winter weather statement. Winter weather advisory remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening. Locations: Transylvania County, Habersham County, the upstate South Carolina mountains, and the Charlotte area. Hazards: freezing rain. Timing: freezing rain will transition completely over to rain by evening. Accumulations: ice accumulations up to 1/10 of an inch. Winds: even 5 miles per hour or less. Impacts: freezing rain may result in difficult travel conditions. Temperatures in the lower 30s. A winter weather advisory means that periods of snow, sleet, or freezing rain will cause travel difficulties. Be prepared for slippery roads and limited visibilities, and use caution while driving. Please report snow and ice accumulations by calling the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-800-267-8101. Leave a message with your observation and the specific location where it occurred. You can also post your report to National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg Facebook or tweet your report using hashtag NWSGSP. Stay tuned to know our weather radio or your favorite source of weather information for the latest updates. Additional details can be found at www.weather.gov/GSP.
Well, that's it. Oh, here's on TV. This has been a serious situation. This has been a serious situation on TV. Talk about tornadoes in Mississippi, southeast Alabama, southeast Mississippi. I don't know if it'll be heading my way. I've been looking in the future cast. I don't see anything. It says it's in the south.
This is a dangerous situation offshore, but as it comes onshore, this doesn't happen very often where you see this kind of supercell thunderstorm taking place out over the open water of the Gulf of Mexico. So I'm going to say that you should definitely be watching that closely throughout the remainder of the afternoon, as well as the storms.
Oh, shoot.
In northern sections.
There's a tornado warning right here.
Into South Alabama, that's I-65 and
My goodness.
29 coming out of Evergreen, moving south.
There's a severe thunderstorm one up near Aberdeen.
But definitely you should pay attention to what's happening. Look at the
I think that's Aberdeen.
Warnings. Probably easier to tell you who doesn't have a thunderstorm warning now east of Meridian, all the way down to Hattiesburg. I can tell you, let's see, there's at least...
This is a squall line. This is a cold, oh goodness. We've been getting the snow portion of this system.
And I do see
not severe part. Severe parts down south.
We have at least some rotation occurring, but the National Weather Service has not issued anything other than a elongated area of severe thunderstorm warnings that basically go from Tuscaloosa southward and westward along the Mississippi-Alabama border all the way down to Mobile. And within is the one tornado warning that we currently have as the storm crosses over the border east of Atmore, Alabama, south and west of Bruton, and headed northward along Highway 29. That's Evergreen, where we have a severe thunderstorm warning. We have Brett Adair into the region. We'll be efforting to speak with Brett here very shortly, as well as watching what's going on out in the open Gulf of Mexico with a couple of supercell thunderstorms that don't have long before they make it onshore. And well, look, this one certainly going to be a water spout. And as it comes onshore, this can cause damage as an actual tornado once it reaches shore. You're watching Weather Nation. We're going to keep you up to date throughout the...
Coming up next, local weather now.
Sip and calm down. If it's still pouring. Okay. This is SPC Concourse 5689. And I will see you later on the next video. Bye.